Right, that one's finished. Three hours, 37 minutes, 37 seconds, eh? Okay. Let's turn the steppers off. In fact, we could switch it off because it's finished for now. Right. Brighten it up. Oh, that's too bright. Sorry. Somewhere in the middle. Okay, looks a bit stringy across the front there. Is that going to pull off? Or am I going to have to release it? I'm going to have to release that. It's because I'm using this Elmer's glue to stick it to the surface. I've got to release it each time now. I don't trust trying to pull it off. Hi guys, 3D printing again. Just printed this to hold my camera, my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G smartphone, a quick release so I can put it onto my tripod and get it off quickly. Now clearly this is designed based on one of these cheap camera clips. In fact, I did something very similar a while back. This one had a ball joint on it, which actually doesn't work and breaks. But other than that, this bit here is taken out of one of these cheap ones. And that's what I'm going to do again. I'm going to take this out of this one, put it in there, hopefully. And that is supposed to go in there. I haven't tried it yet. Oh yeah, that'll fit in there. Right. So need to get this one out. Now I've noticed this one is a cheaper version than the other ones that I've used. These ones have got nice brass screws up the inside, whereas this one that I've chosen to use has got plastic. And I'm struggling to get them undone. This side seems to be coming undone all right. But this one, the head is just turning. I might have to abandon it and use one of the brass ones, because if I can't get it out, I won't be able to get it back in again anyway. I'll stop filming for a minute so you're not bored. Yes, that took far more effort than I should have done. That plastic insert is rubbish, as you can see. Might pay me to heat up something and push a new slot in the end of that, because it's completely given up. Right, I've made that hole a bit deeper, slot, so we might be able to grip it. So because the telephone that I want to put on it is the one that I'm filming with. tighten that up to hold it in place. I haven't put any rubber lining on this. I say rubber, foam like I did on there. I could do, but I don't think I need it. Well, it was all going so well until I tried to film the camera in position, and then we had a disaster. The filament split along the lines of the layers. So you can see a split there. That's actually the third time it split. I glued it when it split the first time along the bottom edge there, and then filmed it again, and it split again as I was talking, and it's just split a third time when I was trying to film it a third time. So we have a basic design problem there, that the filament is giving way along the line of the layers. Now, I did something similar to this a while ago for my small tablet. And with that one, I printed it that way round so the layers were vertical. So this one can flex that way without splitting. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to either give up on this design entirely, which I think I probably will do, and I think I'll just go for this design, but trimmed to actually fit my particular camera. So it's bespoke just for this camera in the case that it's in. It's in a protective case. So if I just modify this one, then it'll fit in the same, I think that's the same quick release, yeah, it's the same size quick release on the bottom of it. And this one worked quite well because the layers go vertically instead of horizontally. Oh, I could print this horizontally, redesign it a bit so it would go horizontal, which is another option. But I really don't need the multi-size capability. It's only for my camera, so I can make it fit my camera, and we don't need to fuss with this. You just go like that. Either with it flexing like that, or you just slide the camera in from one side. So, failure. But I wouldn't say we've learnt anything, in that we already knew that the filament tends to split along the layer line. A reminder that filament splits along the layer line. Or at least that filament does. Well, there we are. I can't turn it around, can I? Because we're filming it. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.